Try making our Korean corn cheese recipe in 3 different ways. Use a stovetop, air fryer, or microwave. It makes a great side dish for Korean barbecue, or you can make it into a meal like Korean corn cheese toast or a filling Korean corn cheese ramen instead. Here are the Korean corn cheese ingredients you'll need. We've portioned this for one person to enjoy for some late night snacking, but you can refer to our website to make a bigger portion. For the on the stove method, you'll need to start by mixing your corn with mayo, a quarter of your mozzarella, sugar, salt, and pepper. Then melt your butter in a large pan and saute the seasoned corn. Top it off with the rest of the mozzarella and cover the pan with a lid and let it steam over low heat until all the mozzarella has melted. You can stop here if you want and enjoy it, but we will transfer this into a ramekin and pop it in the oven to get the cheese extra crispy on top. We usually put this in the oven on high heat and take it out after 10 minutes. Give this video a thumbs up if you tried out the stovetop version. For the Korean corn cheese air fryer method, you'll need to preheat your air fryer for 3 minutes at 200 degrees. Mix your corn, mayo, a quarter of your mozzarella, and seasonings together. Then rim your dish with butter and pour in your corn mix. Top it off with the rest of the mozzarella. Cover it with a lid or some foil and then pop it into the air fryer for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. At the halfway mark, remove the lid and continue to air fry. If you love Korean comfort food, make sure to check out our Korean corn dog recipe, where we also show you how to make it in an air fryer. To make this in an oven, you can follow the same steps, but instead using the following temperature and timings. For our microwave Korean corn cheese recipe, you'll need to mix together corn, mayo, quarter of the mozzarella cheese, sugar, salt, and pepper. Then rim the dish in butter and add in your Korean corn cheese mix. Top it off with the rest of the mozzarella and cover this with a lid or some cling film. Then microwave this on 600 watts for 1.5 minutes and then for another 15 seconds at 900 watts. Covering it will help to make the cheese melt more evenly and reduce splatter in the microwave. To make Korean corn cheese ramen, first cook your ramen as usual and put it in an oven-safe dish. Next, prepare your corn cheese mixture and spread it over the ramen. Pop the Korean corn cheese ramen mixture into a preheated oven at 200 degrees and bake for 10 minutes. You can also broil it at the end to give that cheese a nice golden crust. To make Korean corn cheese toast, grab a slice of bread and make a light dent in the middle for the corn mix to sit. Add your corn mix and top with the rest of the mozzarella. Pop this into the air fryer at 200 degrees for 8 minutes or until you start seeing it brown. Take it out and enjoy your Korean corn cheese toast. All of the methods above will give you a delicious Korean corn cheese. Personally, we like making Korean corn cheese on a stove, then broil it in the oven when we want the cheese to be extra crispy. And we also use the air fryer Korean corn cheese method when we just don't feel like cleaning up. Let us know in the comments below which method is your favorite and subscribe for more simple recipes.